What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2014 BMW R1200RT. Guys, this bike is absolutely beautiful. This is the first R1200RT I've ever ridden. I want to start off by showing you there is some scuffing on the bags. However, this is all taped off with the clear bra. So like, this is not a scratch, this is just clear bra peeling up. So you can peel that off at your discretion. I'm not going to peel it off because, you know, underneath it's perfectly fine. It's just that if someone wants to keep it on, they can keep it on. Now this is some scratches here on the side bag. Pretty typical, guys. This is an adventure touring bike. Yeah, this is more on the touring side, not really adventure side, but it's going to be ridden, guys, and guys that buy these bikes ride these bikes. It has the lower lights here, engine guard. As you can see, it's got some scuffs on the engine guard. He's probably brushed up against something. Front fender's in good shape. They have a whole bunch of bugs on it. This guy rode his motorcycle. I know that's a shocker sometimes, but when you buy this nice of a bike, you typically ride it. Especially with these bikes, I typically run in the customers that purchase these bikes knew exactly what they were purchasing when they bought it. The reason that he sold it was probably to get something more comfortable for him and his wife, something along those lines. It's a similar scenario on this side, which means I'm thinking that either someone was throwing a leg over it that was sitting on the back seat. That's my initial thought, so maybe he had a passenger. But it is clear bra'd, so it is not on the paint, it is on the clear bra. Scuff here, right there. This engine guard looks good. It does have some scuffs up underneath there, if you can see those. Rear tire has plenty of tread left. Front tire, I'm pretty sure, has plenty of tread left. Yeah, it's got good tread. This is a heated seat, as you can see. Got some scuffs. Got some scuffs there. Pretty typical. Someone's shirt was obviously pushing up against it. Scuff right there. Let's fire this beast up. Heated grips, obviously. Adjustable windshield. This bike's freaking sweet. It's got some scuffs inside the handlebars there. Alright, let's find the miles. No. People are probably going to be roasting me like, oh, you don't know where the miles are? How to go through the tripometer? There we go. No. Has to adjust the ride. Heated seat, heated whatever, blah blah blah. Come on, how do I get through? No. Oh, there we go. 36,871 miles. So, this guy did ride his motorcycle. It has a key fob here. I have a key fob in the bag as well as the books and everything. Like I said, guys, 36,000 miles. This bike's freaking awesome. It does have the speaker system, whole 9 yards. Guys, do not miss out on this bike. It will not last long. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.